Hi everyone, so I'm here to unbox Chachi Bestie plushies. So they actually gave us 2 boxes. So as you can see here, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 varieties of the plushie. So feeling ko gusto ko makuha yung green kasi favorite color ko yung green. So if you didn't know, Chachi is a tea shop chain here in Asia, and recently they opened their stores here in the Philippines. So you guys should check it out. Siguro ano kayang kulay na makukuha ko? Oh, okay. So may wrapping pa siya. So tignan natin kung anong laman niya. Ang ganda ng packaging So tignan natin. Ay, hirap. Wait lang. So, pupunitin mo siya dito. May card. So, okay. May nakalagay dito, kulay pink. So, tignan natin kung yung card magmamatch siya sa kung anong laman. Hindi ko alam. Tignan natin. Okay. So, I don't think... okay. So, nagmamatch nga siya. So, pink yung nandito. So, pink din yung nakuha ko. So, it's very nice. What does the pink mean? Okay, so, it means peach oolong. So, actually, I've tried some of the beverages from Chachi and masarap siya. Let's open the other box. So, tingnan natin kung makukuha ko yung gusto ko, yung kulay green. Okay, so natin. Oh my gosh. Tingnan natin. Okay, so hindi pa. Akala ko kulay green. So, nakuha natin is Osmanthus oolong. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura niya. Ganyan. And medyo cute siya. Cute siya. And ang sarap niya i-squeeze. Pwede mo rin siyang gawing stress reliever. So, ayun. So, ito yung nakuha ko. So, isang pink and isang white. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you check out Chachi. Thank you.